What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, we've got something absolutely crazy to talk about. This is the brand new Honor Win. And yeah, this thing might just be one of the most insane smartphones coming out right now. Because Honor didn't just make another regular phone. They built a battery monster, a performance beast, and a legit flagship challenger, all in one. So let's get into it. A Snapdragon flagship chip, a rumored 10,000 milliamp hour battery, crazy fast charging, and a premium design? If Honor prices this right, this phone could literally disrupt the entire market. First off, let's talk design. Honor is going with a clean premium look, slim frame, and honestly, it does not look like a bulky battery phone at all. It actually feels refined, modern, and genuinely flagship level. If you're tired of plastic-looking mid-range phones, this one's going to impress you. Now, performance is where it gets wild. We're talking Snapdragon 8 series power, meaning this thing is ready for gaming, multitasking, video editing, basically anything you throw at it. High refresh rate display? Expected. Smooth animations? Definitely. And yeah, this thing is built for speed. But the real headline feature? That massive 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Let me say that again. 10,000 milliamp hours. That means longer gaming, longer streaming, less charging anxiety, and true all-day, maybe even multi-day battery life. Pair that with super fast charging, and you're basically unstoppable. Of course, Honor isn't skipping on cameras either. You're getting a powerful camera setup, AI enhancements, and flagship-level image processing. So whether you're shooting photos, vlogging, or recording videos for social media, this thing is going to deliver. Software-wise, Honor has been stepping it up big time. Expect smooth UI, optimized animations, and some really cool AI features built right in. So yeah, the Honor Win is shaping up to be an absolute battery king, a performance powerhouse, and honestly, one of the most exciting phones coming soon. If Honor prices this right, this could be one of the best value flagships of the year. What do you guys think? Would you buy the Honor Win over Samsung, OnePlus, or even iPhone? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and turn on that bell so you don't miss future tech videos. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.